The joy of knowing. Happy is he, whose hope is in the Lord his God. Psalm chapter 146 verse 5. Happy is the man who has learned the secret of coming to God in daily prayer. 15 minutes alone with God every morning before you start the day can change circumstances and remove mountains. But all of this happiness and all of these unlimited benefits which flow from the storehouse of heaven are contingent upon our relationship to God. Absolute dependency and absolute yieldedness are the conditions of being His child. Only His children are entitled to receive those things that lend themselves to happiness, and in order to be His child, there must be the surrender of the will to Him. Man does not come to know God through works, he comes to know God by faith, through grace. You cannot work your way toward happiness and heaven, you cannot moralize your way, you cannot reform your way, you cannot buy your way. It comes as a gift of God through Christ. Prayer for the day. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for the gift of joy which comes from knowing your Son, Jesus Christ.